In this video, we will walk you through a Goods Receipt PO using Agility 360 in SAP Business One. We will be using SAP Business One version 10.0, and we have a purchase order number 1322, and we are receiving item FL00862, and we have a quantity of 1,000 to receive today. Let's use Agility 360 on a handheld to receive those items to create a Goods Receipt PO. You will see our Goods Receipt PO function on the handheld device, which we're going to click on today. It will load the application, and it will ask us for our order number first, and it will have a blue highlighted focus area where I can scan a purchase order number, I can look up purchase orders, and I can also type in the number. Today I'd like to scan through the process for speed and accuracy. The purchase order number 1322, that blue focus field will now move on to the next line, which is the item. I will then scan a barcode on the item, and it will validate that with SAP Business One, the description, the vendor. Also, I have a default bin set up to receive this product into my dock. This can be changed by handheld. I can adjust that. I have 1,000 of those FL00862s remaining, and my unit of measure here is manual. If you have different units of measure, you can scan that barcode to achieve that result. I'm going to receive all 1,000 of this product. I'm going to save this form, and then I will post the form. This will create labels if necessary. I have printed them to screen today. I can print out 1,000 of those labels to print out and put on the items if they do not have barcodes. I do not need to print out barcodes if this isn't requirement. So now I've received that product. I can exit out of that. Let's go back into SAP Business One. I will refresh my purchase order. Notice that the status is now closed. If I were to do a relationship map on that, I have now created a Goods Receipt PO from that purchase order using the handheld device. And that product is now completed and in my inventory stock. Thank you.